Hello everyone. As you can see, we got rid of the green screen for this one. This is my apartment. Welcome. That's my reflection. That's my mirror. It's weird. So, I love Sephora, and I rarely allow myself to shop at Sephora unless I have a gift card. Shout out to, I think I can say the student's name, Penn. Penn totally gave me a gift card to Sephora, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be able to get so many fun things. For those who want to know, if you ever want to get me a present, Sephora gift card. So what can I get from Sephora? One thing you should know about me is I am such a sucker for sales. I am a firm believer that sales, it's not the cheap products. It's actually the products that were just too special for everyone to like, so they had to discount it. That is why these products were discounted. So what does about $100, $150 get you at Sephora? Let's go ahead and check it out. The first thing that was on sale at Sephora is Sephora brand. Sorry, I forgot to bring these on screen. These are insane. This is a massive amount of product. I don't exactly know the exact price right now. Wait, I'll pull them at, I think it's like $10. The fact that these were on sale, they're usually $10, and they were on sale for $8 is a game changer. I will show you how this one looks on. This is Color Gloss Balm. It has such a good scent to it. And it also not only livens up your lipstick, this is CoverGirl lipstick, but it stops the lipstick from getting in your teeth, which I am notorious for, especially when I'm wearing red lipstick. And we have one that works with red lipstick, as you can see. Boom, boom. With that said, now we are moving on to the next one. This one was discounted. I don't know if you can see this. Slime Light. And this one was discounted, and it shouldn't have been. It's not that it is a bad product. It is the fact that this product is just too slay for the general population. Hi, I'm also like doing a YouTube video, and I'm also live right now. So like, hi everyone. So this is the Freck Beauty Slime Light Highlighter. And this is also on sale. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you what it does. I'm gonna just do a really small amount. And when I tell you this thing highlights, like look at that. Oh my gosh. Like look at how that catches the light. I can go on this light over here too. Like that is a highlighter if you've ever seen one. Now, as you can see, it is warm in here, and I'm getting a little bit like, a little bit too shiny. And that is a perfect segue into this next product. This is the one product I got that was not on sale. Supergoop, I think this was started by like some famous actress or something like that.
Wrong.
This is a sunblock powder. And I have never tried it, and it might spill everywhere, but I've been meaning to try this. Directions are probably on the back, right? No, Desmond, don't break it. It opened. So it has a little mechanism. That's kind of cool. And then you twist to close. Twist to close. Oh. Oh! And then, no, it's not coming out. Broad spectrum SPF 35. You always want to have SPF on. I wear sunblock every single day. People are always like, how do you look like you're 19? Sunblock. Okay, so see how it's like a yellow thing in the middle? What is that? What is that? Is that, should I take it off? I shouldn't take it off, right? Mineral setting powder, how to use. Remove the cap. ADHD, we hate to read directions, but we get there eventually. Twist the body of the brush from closed to open. Twist to open. Okay. Tilt and tap the brush gently against your wrist until the powder flows from the bristles. It's not flowing. My arm is getting red from hitting it so many times. Oh! I'm either about to break it or I'm about to solve this entire problem. Are you ready? It says you have to remove it. Ha! Do you see the powder? Okay, let's see. We're gonna get some less shine in here. Oh, we love the shine control. We love the shine control. It is a done deal. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is my new product. Underrated at Sephora products part 2, Sephora lipstick. So this is a lipstick that no one buys at Sephora. And when I tell you, like, this lipstick, y'all are sleeping on it. Y'all are sleeping on it. The girls, the gays, everyone who wants to wear lipstick, y'all are sleeping on this one. Just watch. The gold lipstick from Sephora. And you're like, oh my God, well, why would I wear gold? Okay, first of all, look at how this goes on. Do you see how like gorgeous of a shine that is? Do you see how you can't even tell that it's gold? Like, it just gives like a gold shimmer. Like, it just shines the whole thing. So like, when I tell you people are sleeping on that one, people are also sleeping on the same version, iridescent white. Same idea. I'm not gonna put it on because my lips are literally gonna fall off from so much product, but that same idea. You got the pink highlighter from the Cheek Slime, you got the gold, you also can do the white. And it has a nice pink undertone to it, and it's gorgeous. What else did we get? Well, I feel like people sleep on these at Sephora. These are so interesting to me because it's like these sets, right? That this one is like, oh, $200 value, but it's like $64, but wait for it, it was $40 on sale. So this is the Sephora Favorites Luxe Vibes Essential, and then it has a word that I can't pronounce on it. Luxueux. Slay. And we are now going to see if I can open this box, which really at this point, y'all, it's touch and go if I know how to open things. Oh snap, this looks so cool. That is such a win. I admit that's pretty cool. It has a really nice face cream in here. Face cream made in Germany. As you can see the face cream right here. Oh, right here. And then you also got the Kerastase Paris night serum. I'm all for night serums. It's not that you don't want to age. It's just that, like, I don't know, if you want to keep feeling good, you want to like look your best. You want to look how you feel you look good, right? And it's like, it's kind of nice, like not having like a ton of like skin flaking off and things. I mean, it's just like, it just feel good. Like, look good, feel good. That's my thing. But if you look good, if you feel you look good, then I'm happy with you. So go off, queens. There is a Gucci mascara, which I didn't know was a thing. That is like a real thing. So this is what it looks like. So this, again, on sale, $200 value. It's usually $64. I got it for $40. And the last thing that I got, salicylic acid, 2% solution. This is the company The Ordinary, and I am super into skincare, and I'm super into maintaining your best feel. So this is just a nice little serum. We love, it's really full. It is not expensive. They market it really straightforward, and that's why it's super cheap still. And if you can believe it, I got all of this with one gift card. So we got the salicylic acid 2%, we got the beauty gift box, we got 3, count them, 3 lip glosses, 2 lipsticks, and cheek slime, and last but not least, the sunblock. So that is the kind of haul that I did from Sephora. I think I actually have a little bit more coming because I had 2 gift cards. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that stuff for the YouTube. And of course, I hope this helps. Bye.